trailer maintenance. This is trailer maintenance part 2. I had a blowout over the weekend on this tire. This is the actual, and then on this side, this tire was so bad, I had to get it replaced. So they're gonna replace the 2 back tires. That's the one that blew out right there, the one you got. They're gonna move the tires that I had right here to the back. They'll put my new tires on front. I'm gonna wear those bad boys down first. You know what I'm saying? ML discount out here in Bethlehem, Georgia. Open on Memorial Day, yes sir. Yep, so they got me straight over here. I got some 2 new ones in the front. On that side, brand new ones. My spare back up there. Yeah, it's time to start cutting up on Memorial Day. Yes, sir.